We were invited for the YouTube Creator Collective End of the Year event. The event was in Camden, which is a very good neighborhood in London. It started at 5:30, but we arrived earlier to walk around and enjoy the area. The event itself was held at Lane 7, and as we arrived, we were greeted with lanyard and badges to personalize with our names and stickers that represented our channel, so we picked entertainment and travel. It was a proper party, with DJ, music, and performance by the Sugarcoated Sisters. And let's talk about the food and drinks. There were so many options. And the best part, it was all free. We ate and drank so much. There were plenty of games and tournaments throughout the night, with prizes for the champions. Clearly not prizes for us, but we had fun. We even took part into a bowling tournament.
Extend, extend.
We had the chance to meet some amazing people, talk to a lot of other creators, and share experiences. Before we left, we made sure to go on the photo booth to get a really cute souvenir from this amazing night to take home with us. And a last slice of pizza. Why not?